Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix video recording not working on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, click on app management, app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on camera app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, camera app and force stop camera app. After click on force stop, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem's last solution is software update. Go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.